Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Sienna headlight bulb. First, let's get ready. You'll want to have your new headlight bulb ready, along with a clean cloth, perhaps moistened with rubbing alcohol. Make sure your Sienna is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. It's also important to know your specific bulb type. For example, many Siennas use an H11 bulb for the low beam. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Begin by opening your Sienna's hood and securing it properly with the prop rod. Look behind the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on this connector and slide it straight off. This step gives you clear access to the bulb you need to replace. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb's base about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Oils can shorten its life. Carefully insert the new bulb, aligning its 3 tabs, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Almost done. Now, push the electrical connector straight onto the base of the new bulb until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely attached. Before closing everything up, turn on your Sienna's headlights to verify that the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, reassemble any components you might have moved or removed, and then carefully close your hood. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.